Today I am going to explain the lesson number 4, direction and maps. So student, watch this video carefully and read this lesson again. काही झालेलं नाही वाटतं. Stand in two equal rows in the classroom facing each other. Now tell the girl and boy standing in front of you the answer to the following questions. On which side of you is the blackboard? On which side of you is the main door of the classroom? On which side of you is the teacher's table? Your answer and the answer of the girl boy in front of you are different, aren't they? Why is it so? If the blackboard is to your right, it will be to the left of the girl boy standing in front of you. If the blackboard is behind you, it will be in front of the girl and boy facing you. In the same way, your answer about the main door and the teacher's table will also be different from those of the girl and boy facing you. It is difficult to make out the location of an object based on answer like on the right, on the left, in front of, and behind. Therefore, in order to tell exactly where an object is located, we use directions. Now we will use direction to find the answer to the same question. With your teacher's help, write the name of the 4 main directions on the walls of your classroom. Now stand facing each other again. Tell each other the direction in which the blackboard, main door, and the teacher tables are located. Now your answer and the answer of the girl and boy facing you will be the same. Direction can be used to tell exactly where an object is located. North, east. The 4 main directions are east, west, north, and south. How do we find them? The direction in which the sun rises is the east. The direction in which the sun sets is the west. The direction east and west are the opposites to each other. If we stand facing east, the west is behind us. At that time, the north is to our left and the south is to our right. Try this activity in the open at sunrise. It will help you to understand the directions better. A large frame is given below. Your house is at the center of the frame. The frame has a yellow strip on each of its 4 sides for writing the directions. On which side of your house does the sun rise? The side is the east. If in the yellow strip on the side of the house where the sun rises, write east. In the strips on the side opposite to the east, write west. North and south will be written in the remaining two strips. Think carefully where they would be and write down the words in the proper strips. In the frame, show the following things near your house in the right places. Neighboring the houses. One shop near your house. One tree. The road nearby. The bus stop nearby. Now see what your neighborhood looks like. Do you know the sun rises and sets every day? That is why the sun is used to determine directions. The magnetic needle in a compass always lies in the north-south direction. Ask your teacher or parents to show it to you. What's the solutions? Sai and Abhay have been asked to solve this problem. Can you help them? In the picture, the east is marked. Use that to write the other three directions in the yellow boxes. West, north, south. In which direction do we travel to go from the ice cream shop to the bus stop? We will travel in the east direction if you want to go from the ice cream shop to bus stop. Amir wants to go to the ice cream shop. In which direction must he walk? In order to go to the ice cream shop, Amir must walk to the west direction. Sarah wants to go to the bus stop. In which direction must she go? Sarah must go to the north direction. Use of directions in maps. In a map, directions are always shown. They are indicated with the help of an arrow. The direction on the map have to be matched with the direction on the ground before reading the map. So north, south, east, west. That is, a map must be aligned with the direction on the ground. For example, the east on the map must be matched to the east of your surrounding. By doing this, you can tell at once the direction of the places shown on a map. Use this method while reading the maps in your textbook too. Use your brain power. Stand facing the rising sun. In which direction is your right ear? In which direction is your left ear? If I will be standing facing rising sun, my right ear is in the south direction and left ear is in the north direction. In which direction will your shadow fall at sunset? At the sunset, the shadow would fall in the east direction. District, state and country. India is my country. We have been reading this sentence in the pledge ever since Standard 1. You must have read the word state, nations, and world. In this textbook too, you will find the word earth, world, country, state, streak, taluka, and village in many places. District. In this textbook, do you find the word earth, world? Come, let us get to know district, states, country, the earth, and world. We will live in a house. Our houses are built on land. The land is spread very far and wide. As vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Like continents, salt water to occupies the surface of the earth. This part is called ocean. The earth is also called the world. There are many countries on the land on the earth. The countries are made up of several states. We live in the states of Maharashtra. Our country, India, is made up of many such states. Maps of your district, Maharashtra, state, India, and the world have been given in this lesson. Complete the activities based on the map. Do you know the index in the map symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map? The index in the map symbols, pictures, signs, and different shades of colors are used to present the information in a map. A list of this symbol, etc. is given along with the map. This list is called the index. A map of a country is given below. The capital New Delhi is also shown on the map. Find our Maharashtra state on the map of a country and color it. A map of the world is given below. Land continent is shown in white and water ocean is shown in the blue. This special map has been created so that all the land and water on the earth can be seen at a glance. In the map of the world given above, color the part labeled India. Color the box next to the map in the same color and write India on the dotted line. What we have learned. The four main directions. The use of the directions given on a map. An introduction to our district, state, and country using map.